Welcome back to the channel. Today we're stepping into the future of luxury travel with the 2026 BMW Luxury Motorhome, a rolling masterpiece that blends BMW's signature performance, cutting-edge technology, and first-class comfort into one unforgettable experience. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a statement on wheels. From the outside, the 2026 BMW Luxury Motorhome looks bold, elegant, and unmistakably premium. The sculpted aerodynamic body, sleek LED lighting signature, and iconic BMW design language instantly set it apart from traditional RVs. Glossy paint finishes, flush-mounted windows, and precision detailing give it a modern, automotive feel rather than a bulky camper look. Large panoramic windows not only enhance the exterior style, but also flood the cabin with natural light, making this motorhome look as luxurious as it feels. Step inside, and the transformation is incredible. The interior feels more like a five-star hotel suite than a motorhome. Premium leather seating, real wood and aluminum accents, and ambient lighting create a warm yet ultra-modern atmosphere. The open-plan living area offers a spacious lounge, a fully equipped gourmet kitchen with smart appliances, and a luxurious bathroom with spa-like finishes. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW Luxury Motorhome delivers power and refinement in equal measure. It features an advanced hybrid or fully electric powertrain, combining strong performance with impressive efficiency. Smooth acceleration, intelligent all-wheel drive, and adaptive suspension ensure a confident and comfortable drive on highways and winding roads alike. When it comes to price, luxury like this doesn't come cheap. The 2026 BMW Luxury Motorhome is expected to start around $350,000 and can climb higher depending on customization and technology packages. While it's a premium investment, it offers unmatched comfort, innovation, and prestige for those who want the very best in luxury travel. Safety is where BMW truly shines. This motorhome comes equipped with advanced safety systems including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, collision avoidance, 360-degree cameras, and intelligent braking systems. The reinforced structure and smart stability control ensure maximum protection for you and your passengers, giving you complete peace of mind on every journey. To sum it all up, the 2026 BMW Luxury Motorhome redefines what it means to travel in style. It combines breathtaking design, a luxurious interior, powerful and efficient performance, top-tier safety, and cutting-edge technology into one extraordinary package. If you're looking for a motorhome that offers prestige, comfort, and innovation without compromise, this BMW is in a class of its own. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more luxury vehicle content. Drop a comment below and let me know. Would you take this BMW Luxury Motorhome on your next adventure? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.